Waking up to the aroma of freshly brewed coffee is one of life's simple pleasures, and with the Presto 12-Cup 02811 stainless steel coffee maker, this pleasure becomes a daily ritual. This electric percolator not only promises to deliver a robust cup of coffee but also adds a touch of elegance to your kitchen with its traditional design. The combination of durability and style makes this coffee maker a standout in its category. Crafted from durable stainless steel, including the filter basket and perc tube, it ensures easy cleaning and lasting beauty, eliminating the hassle associated with maintaining kitchen appliances. One of the most appealing features of this coffee maker is its cool touch handle and easy pour spout. These thoughtful details make the coffee making process not just safer but also mess-free. Whether you're serving coffee to guests or enjoying a quiet morning alone, the Presto 12-Cup coffee maker makes it an effortless task. Furthermore, the inclusion of an indicator light is a simple yet incredibly useful feature. It takes the guesswork out of brewing, letting you know exactly when your coffee is ready to be enjoyed. The bundle doesn't stop at just the coffee maker. It includes a set of 4 ceramic coffee mugs along with 4 spoons, making it a complete coffee serving solution right out of the box. The mugs complement the elegant design of the coffee maker, ensuring your coffee breaks are always served with a touch of class. Operating at 800 watts, this coffee maker is powerful enough to quickly brew 12 cups of coffee, ensuring you have ample supply whether it's for personal use or when entertaining guests. Yet, it is energy efficient enough not to be a burden on your electricity bill. Its lightweight design, weighing just 2.9 pounds, makes it easy to move and handle, adding to its practicality. For those who appreciate the finer things in life, the Presto 12-Cup 02811 stainless steel coffee maker offers more than just a cup of. Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.